Pressure washers have many uses around your home, from cleaning decking and siding to washing cars, removing mold, cleaning lawn equipment, and more. The pressure washers mainly come in two types, electric and gas. Pressure washers come in all shapes and sizes, from carry-round units to huge and heavy ones that need chunky wheels for easy transporting. So if you're looking for one, we can help you with some of the best in the business. Take a look at the description below to see all the mentioned products and their buy links. Let's begin with the best on our list, the Simpson MegaShot MSH3125-S is a gas pressure washer, which is powered by Honda. It works at 3200 psi at 2.5 GPM. This easy-to-use power washer will eliminate dirt, grime, or even mildew from any hard-to-remove spot or area. It offers a maintenance-free OEM Technologies axial cam pump. It is made from heavy-gauge frame components, welded steel construction, and has 10-inch wheels. Also, its lightweight and compact construction allows comfortable and hassle-free transportation. It is equipped with more flex hoses, which are non-marring, kink, and abrasion resistant, which means this pressure washer hose can withstand some heavy-duty use. And the M22 connectors will ensure a secure and safe fit. Altogether, this washer is designed for optimum performance in the harshest environments and renowned for being consistently easy to start. Next up on the list, we have the Joe SPX3000 electric pressure washer. It generates up to 20-30 psi of water pressure and 1.76 GPM of water flow for maximum cleaning power. It packs a powerful punch with its 1800 watt / 14.5 amp motor. It is equipped with a dual detergent tank and stores two different detergent types simultaneously in its two 0.9 liter onboard removable detergent tanks. Also, it features a 34-inch extension spray wand to access hard-to-reach areas. It provides a total stop system trigger that automatically shuts off the pump when the trigger is not engaged to save energy and prolong pump life. It includes a 34-inch extension wand, 20-foot high-pressure hose, 35-foot power cord with GFCI protection. Further, it provides a 34-inch extension spray wand to access hard-to-reach areas, such as two-story buildings and the undersides of automotive vehicles and lawn equipment. Want to wash your car without scrubbing it by hand? A pressure washer like the Karcher K5 will get the job done in no time. It is designed for high-end performance with 2000 psi and 1.4 GPM water flow rate. Karcher's K5 Premium is perfect for users who demand the ultimate level of home cleaning. Also, it is engineered to withstand the rigorous demands of frequent residential use. It comes with a patented water-cooled induction motor that prolongs the life of the engine by up to 5 times, reducing noise output and lowering energy consumption. It has a built-in hose reel that helps prevent kinks in the high-pressure hose and makes winding or unwinding a simple task. It comes equipped with large 7.7-inch high-impact wheels and a tall, durable handle. You can also attach the Vario Power Spray wand, which allows you to adjust the pressure right on the rod. Up next, we have a budget-friendly model, which is the Greenworks GPW1501. It dials back the power to 1500 psi and 1.2 GPM, making it ideal for smaller projects, such as cleaning lawn furniture and washing your car. This lightweight electric pressure washer weighs 17 pounds and includes a 35-foot power cord and a 20-foot high-pressure hose. It can be used vertically or horizontally for more excellent stability, and it comes with 25 and 40-degree quick connect tips for different spraying levels. Plus, it includes a soap applicator to apply soap to clean any surface thoroughly. On the other hand, it consists of a 25-degree and 40-degree quick connect tip for a variety of cleaning applications. Pressure washers can easily weigh 50 pounds or more, and if you're looking for a product that's a bit lighter to carry around your yard, you'll like the Ryobi Ry 141-612. It is excellent for use on bikes, campers, grills, patio furniture, and many other recreational applications. This unit includes 3 nozzles, 15 soap, and turbo for 50% faster cleaning. It also combines portability with convenience for a unit that can go anywhere to get the job done. This 1600 psi electric power washer uses 1.2 GPM, and it has a 35-foot power cord and a 20-foot hose. The Generac 7954 is an ergonomic spray gun with cushion grip, and its easy-to-pull trigger reduces fatigue and improves comfort. The integrated spray gun holder holds a spray gun securely during transport and storage. It has a turbo nozzle attachment with a rotating pinpoint stream, designed to remove stubborn dirt and grime off rigid surfaces 30% faster than standard nozzles. The soap blaster attachment sprays soap 3 times farther than a standard nozzle tip to penetrate tough stains and improve cleaning results. You can utilize the horizontal axial cam pump with easy access hose connections that alleviate kneeling on the ground to connect hoses. With the powerful Generac 196cc OHV engine, it delivers maximum cleaning performance. The Ryobi 2300 psi pressure washer is engineered to handle even your toughest jobs, ensuring maximum durability. Also, it features a powerful 13-amp high-efficiency brushless electric induction motor and pressure technology. With 2300 psi of force, it is exceptional for quick cleaning of driveways, decks, windows, patio furniture, and other areas around the house. This unit also includes a bonus turbo nozzle that delivers up to 50% more cleaning power. It is backed with the Ryobi 3-year limited warranty and is guaranteed to deliver results for years to come. Plus, you can use the 25-foot non-marring high-pressure hose that will not leave scuffs on the job. You can use the professional metal spray wand with a quick connect coupler for easy nozzle changes. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up to show your support. And last, if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. Have a great day.